Do you have a Remington model 1867 rolling block chambered in 12.17 by 44R and don't know how to make ammunition for it? I'm going to show you how to make 12.17 by 44R, which stands for rimmed, out of Starline 50 Alaskan brass. Stick around. Welcome back. So what we're going to start off with is 50 Alaskan brass. Now when the Alaskan brass comes from the factory, it is a little bit longer than what we need. So we start by trimming off about 1/4 inch. Use a cutting tool of your choice. And I finished it by using the Lyman Universal Trimming Tool. The pilot that I used was a 44 caliber pilot. Insert this into the device. Use the trimming portion. Trim it down. So a quick note, some people use 50/70 brass, which is fine too, if it works for your gun. The 50 Alaskan, you don't have to do anything except trim it down. Now the overall length of the 50/70 is about 44 millimeters. What I found with my particular rifle is it preferred 42 millimeter, so I trimmed it down just a little bit more. These 50 Alaskan will insert and extract with no further modification other than trimming down. All right, what we're going to do now are two things. One is we're going to open up the mouth of this case to accept a 50 caliber bullet. And then the other thing is we're going to put a primer in. So this already has the expander up inside here and it's already preset up. So I'm going to set this in. Get a primer, put it in, this goes all the way up, that opens it up, we'll push this in, seat the primer, now it's good to go. So this opened up the mouth in order to accept a bullet. We'll do this a couple more times. All right. Okay, so what I do is fill this up with 70 grains of 2F black powder. Put this funnel on top of the case, dump the powder in. Now we're ready for a bullet. Okay, now it's time to seat the bullet. So what I like to do is I like to get a little card like this. It's punched out. I'll set it right on top of the black powder, like so. And then I'll get my bullet. And I've already got it pre-lubed. I'll set it on top. And run it up. There it is. Okay, we're going to double check these cartridges and make sure they fit. So drawing the hammer back, opening up the breech face and then putting the cartridge in, closing it up. Works just fine. Pops out good. Try another one. Put it in, closes up, pops out. Awesome. Another one, put it in, closes up, pops out, good to go. All right guys, I fired one round just to make sure everything was good. hit the target down there. It's at 100 yards, steel plate. So let's see what we can do. The recoil on this is soft. It's really nice. Check that out. Extracts just fine. Try it again. All right, let's go down and check it out. All right, so here it is at 100 yards. Okay, my very first shot that I did landed right here. That's how I was able to get my 0. I was able to hit here. And then my very last shot that I did wound up hitting here. Now this one was done somewhere in between the other shots that I was making. But at 100 yards, you can see it will hit a person. So, yeah, it's a lot of fun. If you guys have an opportunity to shoot one of these guns, give it a shot. It's a lot of fun. It doesn't beat you up, and when it hits hard. So again, guys, thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you soon.